Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start on a duplicate layer and zoom to the eyes so you can see texture. This keeps the original intact and lets you toggle fixes. Next, normalize exposure and white balance so skin tones are accurate. Color shifts break matching later. Use a low opacity brush on a new layer to sample nearby cheek tones and gently paint over the darkest areas. Once done, lower opacity and blend using a soft erase to preserve highlights and natural skin texture. This prevents a painted look. Now you separate texture from tone using frequency separation so you can correct color without softening pores. This preserves realism. On the low frequency layer, sample midtones from under-eye adjacent skin and use a soft low opacity brush to paint color corrections, then refine with hue/saturation masks. On the high frequency layer, clone or heal only where disruptive shadows or lines exist. Make sure to alternate visibility to confirm you're not erasing natural detail. Small, iterative strokes work far better than aggressive fixes. Finish by stepping back. View the whole face at 100% and in reduced scale to ensure the under-eye area reads naturally with surrounding skin. Add subtle grain or texture if the correction looks too smooth, and apply a final color match or selective color layer to blend undertones. If you see halos or hard edges, soften masks with a large feather and reduce layer opacity. If color mismatch persists, sample again from multiple nearby pixels and incrementally blend until invisible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.